Hey everyone, my name is Sapna and you are watching my village, my English. Today I am going to tell you a 30-day master plan to learn this language. Because I am learning this language, I have been learning this language for 1 year, approximately 1 year. Today I will help you to make 30 days plan to learn this language. In reality, is it possible to learn this language within 30 days? Is it possible to learn any language within 30 days? That language which is not in your surrounding, that language that not spoken by your parents, not spoken by your society, but we are want to make a planning to learn that language within 30 days. Is it possible? So I think no. I'm not demotivating you. I'm not demotivating you that within 30 days you can't learn this language. But it's not possible. It's not possible to learn any language within 30 days. Whether the person is, how the person has the knowledge, how much they have the clarity in their concept, how much the person has the dedication, everything matters. Everything matters. Because it's my opinion that within 30 days it's not possible to learn any language. But it's not that the thing that you can't learn this language within 30 days. Yes, if you continuously work on this language, if you continuously do work hard in this language, you will see a lot of improvement in yourself. What is language? To learn this language is a very vast. English language has a very vast scope. This is a very wide language, spoken by most of the people in all the countries. Then your hard work, your dedication play a significant role to learn this language. Because if you see the content, if you see the videos of the other people, they may say that within 30 days you can speak English very well. Yes, within 30 days you can speak English well, but some factor behind it. You must have the clarity on the basic concept of English. If your basic concept of English is very clear, if you know the basic rules of the tenses, if you have that mastery means you can easily identify how to use present tense, how to use past tense, how to use future tense. You know all the rules, but you don't have any partner, you did practice on that to learn it. So it may help you to achieve that much fluency, not all, but enough fluency to speak this language within 30 days. But the condition is your basic must be clear. Another one thing is you just do a regular practice. Regular practice means you just speak out words from your mouth. Words come out of your mouth are very important. If you are continuously thinking all the words, all the sentences, you are framing sentence structure in your mind, but you are not that your mouth is not putting any word out of your mouth, then you can't. Because speaking means what? Speaking means say something from your mouth, some words from your mouth, then you can speak. But if you are zero level, you don't have the basic clarity of tenses, you don't have the basic knowledge of English, no environment, no one who can guide you, no one who can motivate you. 30 day will help you a lot. If you put your hard work on that 30 days, you will see lot of changes in yourself. That 30 days definitely will build your confidence. That 30 days definitely help you to boost your confidence. Yes, you can. Fluency is another thing, accuracy is another thing. Fluency means what our target is just to speak. We don't know whether the word is correct or incorrect, whether the sentence is correct or incorrect. In initial stage it's important, because whatever your focus must be on your fluency, means whatever the word you are saying, you just say. Automatically when you continuously speak this language again and again, when you continuously speak the sentences again and again and again, you will automatically see where you are doing the mistakes, which part you are lacking behind, in which part you have to put your hard work. So master plan, definitely in another one video definitely I will help you to make a plan how you can help to that much fluency within 30 days. But you have to select, you have to fix your target. Yes, I have to speak English, I have to improve myself, I have to improve myself within 30 days. But it doesn't mean that you can't speak. You can speak. Your hard work, your dedication, your passion must. Because I have seen so many people who are improving their language within 30 days. But I have seen their passion also. I have seen their dedication also. If you want to improve your English within 30 days and you are not putting any single effort to learn this language, you are not doing regular practice on written work, means you have to write something. If you are not speaking anything, if you are not you are not doing that much practice to improve yourself. So it take time, but that 30 days help you a lot to achieve your fluency. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.